Guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another review. So today we are going to review a recent launch. So this is the Swiss Beauty HD Matte Lipstick. So if you're interested, then please continue watching, but before that hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, it means a lot. So yeah, let's get started. So as I told you, the product for the day is Swiss Beauty HD Matte Lipstick. So this is how it looks like. So this is one of the newest launch. So this lipstick is available in 24 shades. So the shade ranges from nudes to pinks to reds and mauves. So if you're interested in knowing the detailed review, then you can definitely check out other videos which has all 24 shades swatch. But in this video I have just purchased one lipstick because I think starting with one is the best for any new range. So I'll just show you from inside how it looks. So as I told you, this is the packaging. The shade name is written on top over here. So the shade is 14 Pop Red. So then you have to remove it from the carton, and inside I got it in good packaging. But just one con that I'll tell you about these straight away as I open them. So this does not like completely like it's not sturdy, like it gets opened up very easily. So that's the only con that I have seen. So just now I have received it. I have not tested it for a whole day, but as the reviews I have seen tell that it is a very good lipstick, so I wanted to try it out and review it for you guys. So it comes in this kind of packaging. So yeah, this kind of packaging is very similar to the Huda Beauty HD Matte lipsticks. So they have been inspired by Huda Beauty, I know. So this is how it looks. The shade comes from here and then it's black. So all the colors are similar, like similar packaging. So here you get Swiss Beauty written. It's very nice, like nicely written. So as soon as you open it, here you get you don't get any magnet as such. So this is the most annoying thing. So this is how the inner bullet looks like. So it's a classic red shade that I have ordered, and the quantity that you get is also very good, decent quantity you get. So all the details are mentioned on the packaging. Nothing is mentioned on the bullet. So here all the ingredients list is mentioned. Then here you get some detail about the lipstick. So it says it's a highly pigmented power bullet matte lipstick, delivers maximum color payoff and extreme comfort, and gives a radiant touch to your whole look. With Swiss Beauty HD Matte Lipsticks collection, experience the same plush, pigment-rich formulation delivers flawless coverage and assures precise application for perfect contoured pout. So nothing else is mentioned, like the MRP of this one. Yeah, the main thing, that is MRP. So MRP of this one is rupees 299, and you can get it on offer, but I have purchased it on full price because there was no offer going on right now. But the delivery in 2 days. So the net weight is 3.5 grams, and it's manufactured in India. So that's a great thing. So yeah, now I'll just show you the swatch. So this is how the swatch looks like. So it is a pink undertone red lipstick, very pigmented. Just one swipe and this is the color that you get. So this color will suit almost all Indian skin tones very well. So I'll just apply it and I'll be back. So this is how the shade looks on me, like without makeup. This is how it looks like. Definitely suits me, I think so. Like it goes very well with my skin tone. So if you are near to my skin tone, you can definitely try out this shade 14. So now let's talk about the formula. So the formula is a creamy matte formula. As I can see, totally it's not super matte that it will not transfer. It will easily transfer. So this is how it looks like. It has transferred, but not that much. So you have to give a little bit time for it to settle down on your lips. And if you are that kind of person who doesn't like liquid lipsticks, so this is definitely worth trying for you. So the price also is not too high. It's 299. It's like affordable, pretty affordable for a good quality lipstick. So just the con is the packaging, otherwise everything is good. Like, you can definitely try out this. You can try out any shade which you want. It's non-sticky, it's not transfer proof, then non-drying at all. It will not dry out your lips, and the shade is very pretty for party wedding season, and the pigmentation is also on point. So if we summarize the pros and cons, the pros are that it's affordable, then it's pigmented, it's non-drying, and it has a good shade range. Then you can see it's easily available. Then the cons would be the packaging, then it will be that it's non-transferable, like not non-transferable, and nothing else, like two cons, so pros wins. So you can definitely try out the lipstick. That's all for my review. If you want to know anything else, let me know in the comment section below. Bye, I'll see you in my next video.